Welcome everybody, welcome everybody to our hunt for today. AMC broke the first support yesterday or today in pre-market around the 980. That's why we have a flush. Look at this. We have huge earnings, but the price didn't break the $11. 19% in the pre-market for AMC. Welcome everybody. Xander, AMC, yes, LF Williams, flush down. Sunray, welcome brother, welcome. Yes, everybody asking about AMC. Everybody watching AMC. As we discussed, we're gonna have a major reaction for AMC after the earnings. We have a bad reaction because we broke the first around the $9.80, the first sign of weakness. And the short seller added again around the 11. That's why the market opened today and we flushed down and even we broke the $8. Let me just check if we got something here. Okay, TNON looking interesting. SNTI as well. We got a newcomer, guys, in the pre-market. This one might be a unicorn for today because it's hitting a new high and hitting profit taken around the $1.40. So this one might be a unicorn for today. ASTR, Astra Space. Astra Space, guys, this one might be our unicorn for today. Astra, let me just bring Astra. Yeah, we got this one looking juicy in the pre-market. IMBS, this one maybe. Coinbase and Mara looking good, guys. Coinbase and Mara looking good because cryptos looking interesting as well. Luna Classic. We have a nice jump for Luna Classic from 68. So yeah, you see clearly that crypto is doing really all right. Really all right. Aster, let me just bring Aster here to our list for today. Yeah, looking good, guys, for this one. Still pumping. We have major resistance around the $1.25. We already hit it. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Kurt, exactly. Kurt, he said, let's focus on where we could make money. Exactly. AMC, let's see. AMC 20% down. We broke a major support, $8.90. So as we discussed, guys, first sign of weakness was once we broke the $9.80. And we had the earnings after hours yesterday. We have a major seller here with this wick. You see what we said yesterday? We said we need a wick from below, but we had the wick from above. The scenario changed from the downside. We had a wick around the $11, price went down. So the short seller added a lot around the $11 for AMC today. So for AMC, everybody talking about an entry point. We got some entry, of course, around the 734. We might have a reversal there. So once the market open, we might have another dip toward the 734. And before that, we might have a reaction to test this resistance and going though further down. So watch out, guys. This is a major resistance will be tested today around the $8.90. We're gonna have a major test. After the market open, we might have a major test around the $8.90. Let me just take this off. Yes, we have the seller around the 11 and we have the seller around the 1374. So this one we change it. We have to change our technical for AMC. AMC, guys, we got the $7 as a bottom. We might have a test for the bottom for today here. But after this major drop, we might see many trader averaging down now, because many trader bought before the earnings on the hope of the price jumping up. But this is a risky business. Look at what happened. We have the opposite reaction, squeezed down for AMC. George, exactly. We got mega earnings and revenue. Look at this, man. 64 surplus for the earnings and the revenue. The estimate was 126 billion. They reported 138. Even though with this major news, boom, price went down. So that's why the earnings doesn't make any sense, guys, for the stocks like AMC that is still in negative. You see, it's still, they're losing money. So the earnings doesn't make any sense to watch out for the earnings for those stocks, because we have this kind of reaction. Good earnings, price go down. Chainlink, we have a coin. We'll watch AMC for a dip, guys, toward the $7.37. We have major resistance. We might have the short seller add once again here. Watch out for this fight, guys. This is the fight will happen here. If we have a test here around the 9 and we got rejected and the market open is mean flush down here. And again, once we test this support, we're gonna have a buying pressure for a reversal. Let me just check this one. Link USD Tether. Yeah, Chainlink. Yes, this one looking good. Whoa. Look at this. We have a nice breakout from the 960, guys. Now $15. We did almost wow, 60%. This is madness. This is really madness. I think we're gonna have a huge market for cryptos, everybody. This one looking juicy. Chainlink, I'm gonna add it on our crypto list for a hunt. Yes, this one. Look overextended here. We might have a pullback. Will be better if we have a pullback for this one. Yeah. We might have a pullback soon. Really soon for this one. Thank you, George. Or Luke. Thank you, Luke. ASTR, look at this. ASTR have a reverse split, I think, back in Thursday, September 1 to 15, I think. Yes, now is pumping pre-market almost 100%. Look at this. Look at this. This is the sound of rocket pumping. Sound of the rocket pumping non-stop. This one looking good, everybody. we'll see if we're gonna have another kick on the market open over the $1.39. We'll see if we're gonna have a pullback after that. We'll see if we got a pullback, because this one is kind of overextended here. But what we learned here, there is always a chance, there is always opportunity to make more. So 100%, this is child play. Some stocks doing 500%, 600%. Welcome, Jesus. Hello, Jesus. Welcome, Iver. Thank you. Doing all right. Matthew, which stock have an offering? Which stock have an offering? Mira Sweep, yes, we already hunted for Disney, brother, for our elite hunters. Now it's 4%. We already discussed Disney, guys, for our elite hunters here. We did it yesterday. Before the market close, we discussed Disney. It was a really nice hunt for Disney. And we have average price for Disney is around the 84.31. So Mira Sweep, yes, we hunted this one yesterday. We have a nice call for Disney. Had really great earnings for Disney. Jumping now in pre-market 4%. We might have another pump for Disney on the market open. Watch out. Watch out. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. Hit it, slap it. Hit the like button on the way in. Let me know if you can hear my voice. If you can hear me. If you can hear me all right. Let's start our live streaming. And let's kick our live streaming for today, Thursday, the 9th of November. Let's have a party, everybody. Let's have a party. Each day we hunt for the market 30 minutes before the market open. And before that, the party, we take it here on our Discord, of course, because we always do pre-market alerts. And if you don't know how to use Discord, we have even Patreon, the same. We do our pre-market update here. So whatever the platform you prefer, we have it. And before the market open, we do pre-market update and watch list stocks. After that, we do hunt for unicorn. And of course, we do swing trade for our elite and king level. Last time we did for Disney. So we'll watch if we're gonna hit the 91, because now doing all right is around the 88. We might have another kick. Yeah, another 4% will be good. However, we should hold over the breakout zone to have this reaction. Wix is pumping as well, but I don't like this reaction because low float. Anyway, let me just bring Disney here with our list that we're gonna hunt for. So the stock that we're gonna hunt today, guys, ASTR. If you just came in, we watching ASTR pumping 77% pre-market. We have Disney pumping in the pre-market 4%. We got TNON. We watching this one as well, guys, because yesterday we had a test for the profit taken 32% around the $4.70. Guess what? We had yesterday before the market closed, we have the flush. See with me closely. We had a short analysis update for TNON, and we discussed it back, I think, in the 7th of November. And we discussed TNON profit taken. We said that $3.50 is the profit taken, then the $4.68. So we went until the 470. 470. And we said 768. Let me just check how much we said. 468. Exactly, just by 2 cents, guys. 2 cents, and then the price went down around the $4.70. To be precise around the just 2 cents before the $4.70, because we said the $4.68 is the profit taken, the second one for TNON. Guess what? We had the second profit taken, and now in pre-market is around the $3.44. What a huge dip, guys. What a huge dip after the second profit taken. Yeah, almost 30% down. So this was a really good hunt, guys. Really good hunt. We'll see if we're gonna have a hold up on the market open over this AMA. What's gonna happen? Are we gonna have a hold up, everybody, or not? This will be really interesting to watch. SNTI, nothing much. We didn't break the 74. AMC, we have a bit of reversal. So watch out on the market open. We might have this reaction going toward the 9. Rejection, continue to go down. Don't get caught up. Don't get fooled. We might have a pull trap on the market open for AMC. Bring all the apes, guys. Bring all the apes. Call your friends and family. We about to witness history for AMC here. We about to witness history. Hit the like, everybody. Hit the like button on the way in as we discuss Disney looking interesting, really interesting. We might have a breakout on the market open. The breakout we said yesterday 86. So this one we might had or have another level to break around the 88 now. And yes, let me just check if we got a support for that one around the 88, give or take, or just in safety we have the 83. This is should be the bottom for today, and the other level that we hold 86. Yes, so we have the 86.77 and 88.52 is the breakout zone for today. Remember, we discussed Disney yesterday on our elite one-day swing trade, and we discussed this support. We said as long as we hold the 78, we are good to go to break the 86. And now they want to write 4%. ASTR, I think this one we might have a pullback because it's kind of overextended. We'll see if we broke the $1.39 or broke instead this support. Is me, we're gonna have a flush down to correct there. So whatever the case will be, we can do many things. We can short, we can long, we can buy around the breakout, we can sell around the support, buy the dip. Yeah, so there is many strategies here we can do. Good morning, Sam Kani. $10 left on the market open. Let us check the stock screener for today. Still raining outside, man. Non-stop. ASTR. Just number one. After that, we got IMBS. Whoa, 21 million worth of volume. What a craziness. What a volatility, man. Yeah, pharmaceutical stock, of course. You see the volatility because we got major news for this stock. News is like blood, guys, like blood for many stocks. So if we have more blood, we have more life, more action. This one looking interesting. I'm watching this one closely, everybody. Let's see if we have a flush or breakout. Interesting. We got IMBS, we got Jan. It's the same name as my ex. This is really funny. I think this is a sign that I should not trade this stock because have the same name as my ex. This is the first warning sign for me. But I don't believe in those kind of stuff, you know. Fear is not good. Fear is not good. Fear is kind of good because give you some kind of signal. It's like your body tell you to stay away from fire or something will harm your body. But sometimes you need pain. You need to confront difficult situation to grow. So there is always paradoxical with this kind of things, you know. Always paradox, man. You have to embrace pain, but sometimes pain is not good. You have to run away from it. Sometimes not. So the idea here, don't overthink, relax. Go with your intuition. When you realize that, you make life easier, you know. When you overthink, you make everything hard. So, as we said, this one had the same name as my ex. So, as we said, this is a warning sign, but I don't care. If there's an entry, we're gonna take it. So, I will keep it on the list just in case. Luke Storm, Shane Link already squeezed from the bottom, brother. I think from the $9. This is the squeeze point for this stock. Okay, let's check another one if we got one here. Hopefully we don't have one because we have many stocks to watch. Yes, we don't have. So guys, watch out. We got those stocks that we might hunt for today. Let me just bring IMBS. See with me, guys, if you just came here, any stock below this red mark is on our list, and there's a chance for a trade entry on the market open. Any stock above that, they're not ready on the market open. Maybe later, but not now. Let's go again and run to our list for today hunt. If you come late, we're gonna do again a rewind about what we talked about or what's the watch list for today. Remember, if you want to come early next time, of course, we do our live streaming daily 30 minutes before the market open. So we said IMBS is on our list. We have Jan on our list. Disney is on our list from yesterday because we did chart analysis update here before the market closed by 2 hours, I think. We discussed the breakout and potential entry for this stock, and now it's 4%. And we have ASTR and T-NUN looking good, and we discussed the support because T-NUN was one of the hunt that we did back in our unicorn hunt on Discord, 7th of November. It was a great hunt for us because we said $4.68, take your profit, the second profit taken. Guess what? Price got rejected around the $4.70. 2 cents, just 2 cents after the second profit taken, we sold off. Before the market closed on the power hour, we flushed down, but now we have a new support. So we watching now. We have Disney, average price 84.30. We have TNON around $3.15, and ASTR we don't have any trade still yet. We might have a trade buying the dip or breakout on the market open. So you know what I'm gonna do? I will put Disney here first, then ASTR, TNON, and of course, whoa, SNTI breaking, guys. SNTI breaking. Whoa, we have a breakout before 3 minutes before the market open. SNTI, I'll put it down then. I'll put it down. AMC, as we said, guys, if you came late, AMC, we had a chance for a pump on the market open. We might have this reaction, test this resistance at the 9, going for the real support or bottom 40-day over the $7. This is the reaction. We might not have this reaction going up, but continue to go down. This would be much worse because this is show us a strength for the short seller, and we might have a huge dip without any reversal here. So watch out. Watch out. We need another. We need at least a little pump toward the 9 to confirm if there's some people buying the dip for AMC. Guys, on the way in, don't forget to hit the like button. Hit the like button. Share our live streaming. Show some love. Sharing is caring. That's what we do here. We hunt daily to warn you guys about short sellers. We warn you guys about where to buy with the market maker. So we help each other here. Some of you suggesting some stocks looking good, we buy it together. If it doesn't look good, we tell you guys. So here we share, we care, we do protect our hunters together. So if you in a pack or community, we could actually win this game, which is called the jungle game, market maker game. Guys, before the market open, because we have 1 minute, less than 1 minute, disclaimer, remember, our live streaming is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly, do your due diligence, we're not financial advisor, and let the price come to you and never run after the price. And now, time for holy water before the market open. Cheers, everybody, let's hit the market for today. Few seconds. John, I will check Life W later. Now we have to watch closely Disney and ASTR and TNON. SNTI pulling back. Okay, the market open, guys. Let's go. Disney. Let's see if we have a pump for Disney over the 88. ASTR still holding. TNON. We need to hold over the $3.14. IMBS. SNTI. Which one will give us some sugar? Jan, my ex name, I think we're gonna have a flush. Yes, we might have a flush. If we have a flush, is mean this not a good girl. And I was right about her. Just from the name. Sometimes you can tell if the girl is good for you or not just by the name. And this one, it was a good call because we breaking the support now. AMC, guys, we might have a push up. Watch out. AMC, we might have a push up toward the 9. Yes, we might have a push. And we said that we're going to have a push toward the 9. So we might have a buying pressure right now for AMC. Disney is about to break the 88, guys. ASTR, Oh man, ASTR, we might have a pump here. Let me just check if we can have a pump. $1.39 is a breakout. $1.39. Are we gonna have a breakout? Disney is the undecision phase now. We have to break the 88.52. TNON, not good, everybody. Not good here. We might have a flush for TNON. And this one not ready yet. Walt Disney, interesting. Yeah, Walt Disney looking good. TNON, I might close this trade, man, because now we are breaking even again here. I'm gonna close it just in case. Yes, I'm gonna close this one. I'm watching Disney instead. Disney looking good, guys. A new high for Disney. Yeah, breakout. Watch out. Tell everybody. Disney breakout right now from the 88.50. Okay, Live W is pumping. Live W is pumping. So we have a support kind of around the $7. Disney looking good. ASTR is breaking. ASTR, man, this one not stopping. Let me just check. Okay, ASTR, we might have another pump, guys. Watch out. ASTR looking good. ASTR, aha, we have to have 1 minute close over here. I think we don't have a confirmation yet. Nope. $1.39. Live W, yes, is look dicey here. Light float or light volume, really light. The level that we have to break is the $11, so that's why. And we might have a rejection before that around the $8.60. And Disney, guys, Disney looking good, really good now. Disney, we have a nice trade for you guys. We did the Disney trade yesterday for our elite hunters here, and we discussed this breakout before the market closed yesterday. So Disney, we have another breakout from the 88.50 now. We have target around the 91.97 for Disney. ASTR pulling back. We have a trick or treat. This one, Big-a-boo. It did Big-a-boo here. Just went up and went down just around the $1.39. Disney going up to Falahala. SNTI, what a crazy pump for SNTI. Yes, nice. I think we're hitting the profit taken now for SNTI. SNTI looking good, everybody. Let me just check SNTI. Yeah, it looked good. We might have a pullback though here. Yeah, we might have a pullback anytime soon around the 87. We need a pullback, otherwise, let me just check. Yeah, now it's pullback. IMBS not ready. Jan not ready, of course. TPST, we have kind of breakout. Yeah, TPST, guys, is moving. Whoa, we have a huge move for TPST. Guys, watch out. This one is moving. I'm gonna put it down. TPST. SNTI pulling back down. TNON is still holding. ASTR, I think we're halted for ASTR, guys. We halted down. Yeah, we got rejected around the $1.39. Disney is still going up. Watch out. Disney to the moon today. Okay, I think we're unhalted. For ASTR, $1.39 is the resistance. TPST, guys, is moving. TPST is moving. SNTI, we have a great breakout on the market open around the 74. Yeah, we got a nice breakout there around the 74. And TPST, we might have ignition now. We might have our ignition. Okay, let's check this one. We have SNTI and TPST. Yeah, TPST looking good. Let's see if we're gonna have a pullback here. ASTR still holding, guys. $1.23 is our support. SNTI pulling back down. Nice. Okay, testing the breakout zone, not bad. And let me just check if we have a support here. Yes. And boom, we have now a resistance. Yes, there. 84. Profit taking is around the $1. Support for SNTI, guys, is around 60 cents. Yes, give or take 60 cents. So let's organize our list here. We have Disney, guys, looking pretty nice, 6%. ASTR, we might have a flush, guys, so I'm watching this closely. If we broke the $1.23, not good at all. It's time to short. If we broke the $1.23, time to short. TNON, SNTI, I will put a third. TPST. AMC, guys, as we said, we might have a pump toward the 9. The good thing is we are accumulating here, so there is a pump about to happen for AMC really soon. Let me just check AMC. Maybe we snatch some green. Yes, sir. AMC. Yeah, we might have something here for AMC. IMPS, testing our resistance. IMPS. Yeah, we might have a breakout here. Whoa, TBST is still pumping. Yes, we have a bit of pullback here. Yeah, IMBS, John said IMBS had big news. Yes, had a big news, but watch out, everybody. We have the 40 cent as a resistance. Let's see if we're gonna break it. IMBS is breaking. I think we have major news for IMBS. Yes, sir. Yes, IMBS, we had a huge pump now. Yeah, TNON not good now. IMBS looking good. TPST maybe is good. SNTI is still holding. ASTR. And Disney, guys, Disney's looking good. ASTR doesn't look good. ASTR, I think we're gonna have a flush here. If we broke the $1.23, I'm gonna close this trade. $1.23 is the flush zone. Big seller come here around the $1.39, and now the price is consolidating sideways. You know what I'm gonna do? I think we're gonna have a flush for this one, so I'm gonna close it right now. ASTR, we close this one. Let me just go on that one instead. Yeah, this one. IMBS, I think we're gonna have a nice pump here. but let me just see if we're gonna have a pullback soon or we're gonna have a continuation. Okay, we have a bit of pullback here. 83. Let me just check if we're gonna have a pump now. Yes. Okay, so we got some level to break or test for IMBS right now around the 44, and the other one is around the 51. Yes. ASTR. Yeah, ASTR guys, time to fly. Time to short ASTR. Yeah, we broke the support now. So watch out for that support instead, because we broke the first support. We have the $1.07. IMBS is pulling back. SNTI, let me just check this one. TPST, yes, TPST looking good now. Still accumulating. We have a support over the $3.32 to hold. AMC guys is still pushing up. We have the $8.60. We need to have a test around the 9 before a push back down. IMBS 44 is the resistance now. Yes sir. And let me just check if we got some support. Yeah, we might have a pullback here. Yeah, pullback would be around the 38. And then if we're gonna have a squeeze, we need to break the 44 to go toward the 50. SNTI, we got big seller around the 84 for SNTI. The big seller is around the $1 for SNTI. Disney still holding. Yeah, AMC, we might have a kick now. Hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget, we always go live each day, everybody. 30 minutes. If you want to join the party early, come early, 30 minutes before the market open. And of course, before that, we do always pre-market update on our Hunter channel. And yesterday we did chart analysis update for Disney guys. So we're still holding this trade from yesterday for our elite one-day swing trade. And you see it here, Walt Disney is still on the, we still have this trade open because we entered yesterday around the 84.31. So we're still watching this one for the 91.97. This is the target for today. We should have another 3%. Let me just check how much we can have for this one. Another 2%. Maybe we could close this one. And then we have a chance to trade another stock. But being patient, because now we have another kick for Disney. IMBS is about to squeeze again. SNTI the same. ASTR flush down. TPST is pumping. Wow, we have a crazy market today, guys. TPST, one of the crazy stock that pumping before and now is pumping again. TPST, everybody. You know what I'm gonna do, man? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna close Disney here with 6%. Yes, I'm gonna close this trade, even though we might have another 2%, but yeah, we might have another 2% for Disney now. I feel a bit FOMO for TPST, guys, because TPST, it look really good. really good now. Yeah, it's pumping now, but getting near a major resistance around the 480. We might get rejected big time here, big time. TBST, okay, Disney, man. Disney is pulling back, so I'm gonna close this trade for Disney around this level. It was a good run for Disney. So we closed this trade that we opened yesterday, guys. Now, let me just take Disney from the way and check TBST, because some of you asking about TBST. TBST is going, guys. TBST is going to the moon, but getting near a major resistance. Getting near a major resistance. Let's see if we have an entry here, or we have to wait until we have a pullback. This is always the question. You have to wait for a pullback, or you buy now. This is the question that trader always ask. What should I do? Should I enter? Should I sell? Should I take profit? Should I wait for the pullback? This is kind of the recurring questions that always happen once you open a trade. Every time. Either if you are inside the trade, the question that you should ask yourself, should I close my trade now with this profit? Where I should take my profit? Should I put trailing stop? Should I add some more to my position? And the other question, if you don't have any position in a trade, should I get in right now? Should I short right now? Should I wait for a pullback right now? So there's many questions, at least 4 or 5 questions for each thing. So this one, let's see. We have another pump. Yeah, we have another pump. This one, yes. We got another pump for TBST, guys, at least $4.80. We might have this rejection. Again, when you buy here, it's really risky. You know why? Because we might have hidden seller any place here. Yes, we might get lucky and the price actually go here and test our resistance, but sometimes we get pulled back before even testing the resistance. So the wise thing is to wait to have a pullback, buying around at least here the $3.80 for a reversal, and then go here, because sometimes the stocks don't go straight up, you know, it's wiggly, go up and down, up and down. Sometimes, really rarely, the stock go up without any pullback. It happened before, and I felt FOMO because I didn't catch this trade. But sticking to your strategy, never buying on the top, is the best way to trade, because if you violate this rule, trust me guys, one trade can wipe you out. Because if you trade and you buy and you hold, then the price pull back on you in the midway and the space, the pullback would be really high. If you don't have a parachute, you know what's gonna happen with the force of gravity, what's gonna happen to you when you hit the ground. Everybody knows. AMC, as we said, guys, we're gonna have a resistance around the $8.90. If you come late, come early. We discussed AMC in the beginning of our live streaming. We discussed the strategy, everything. We discussed the $8.96. We said we're gonna have a pump once the market open. The price will go up. The short seller will have a pull trap around this level, and the price continue to go down. This is what we said. But if you come late and you don't see AMC chart, of course you say, Jesus, what's going on? What's going on with price in AMC? Because you come late. IMBS, look at this. IMBS, we have a reversal from the 38. Good morning, Maxime. Of course, man. Brian, yes, we have other interesting thing to do, you know. We don't have to watch AMC all day because it's predictable. The price went down, broke the support. There's no action there. So that's why we're watching the other stock that have an action. SNTI, IMBS, ASTR, reversing TBST even, looking good. Because we pumped 40%, it's getting near a breakout zone or resistance around the $4.80. For AMC, nothing much, guys. We have a rejection, as we said, around the $9 is the level that we have to break. Otherwise, we're gonna have a push back down toward the 7. IMBS is about to pump, and SNTI, those two looking good. IMBS. IMBS looking interesting. Whoa, AMC tried to test now the resistance once again. $8.90. Are we gonna have a test? So the market open, price was around this dip, and we did 10% from the dip. TBST pulling back. SNTI, IMBS is pumping. IMBS, watch out everybody. IMBS is pumping. We might have the 51 squeeze, everybody. 51 squeeze. The 51 squeeze. Okay, TBST, we have a pullback. Pullback time for TBST. So we got rejected before that. 4.34. Let me adjust the levels. We have profit taken here. 6, yeah. Pullback time for TBST. Pullback. Pullback. Okay, so we got some support now. Anytime soon, around the $3.30. So this should be our support for TBST. Otherwise, we're gonna have a flush. We should have a reversal here anytime soon. This is the reversal zone for TBST. IMBS, a new level test. We're ready to talk about AMC, brother. Bill Hutchins said he have AMC tattoo. Interesting. Sheba Man. I'm like the professor in the college, you know. If you come late in the school, you're gonna turn out like you've been kicked out from the class, man. Of course. Unless you never went to the college. For me, I never go to the college. Like I study in my home. Like I go in exams. So I understand what you mean, brother. I don't like classes. I like to learn by myself. IMBS. Let me just check IMBS if we have something. SNTI. Yes, IMBS here. So we got IMBS fish here. Yeah, we got some fish, guys. We catch some fish. IMBS looking good for the 51.29. Oh man, if we broke the 51, guys, this would be a crazy catch. Yeah, 51.29. SNTI on the other hand is ready to pump as well. ASTR not ready yet. Yes, holding over the $1.14. This might be it here. TBST, yeah, we'll give this a bit of time. AMC, guys, is about to test again. Let's see. We might have a test now on a breakout from the bottom. So let's adjust this support for AMC. We got the 8 and the 7. So it's kind of a little kid who trading AMC right now. The support is precisely around the 8. The other support is around the 7. And the other resistance is around the 9. It's like a little kid who trading AMC right now. The level of resistance and support is precisely around those levels. Okay, so we have a test. AMC is squeezing from the bottom. So we have to watch, guys. We might have the squeeze from the bottom for AMC. This is crazy. If it happened, it would be crazy. AMC, there's many traders who bought yesterday for AMC before the earnings. Let me adjust this level then. Let me just go on the big picture. Yes, we have it. Again, we test a major level, guys, the $9. The $9 has been tested now, around the $9. This is a really crazy test now for this AMA. Are we gonna have a break or not? Guys, this is really interesting. Now it's interesting, AMC. Now it look interesting. Now it look interesting. Great question. We're gonna go toward the 12 or 13 again if we broke the 9. And again, the 9 is the level that we're gonna have a rejection at. You see what's happened here? A test for the 9, and now we're gonna have a flush. TBST still holding. ASTR, okay, SNTI, IMBS is still holding. We got great question regarding Coinbase. Coinbase doing all right, hitting almost the 100. We have a target for Coinbase, everybody, around the 100 mark. Mara hitting the resistance, and again we have a bit of resistance here. IMBS, okay, ASTR. So yeah, we have Coinbase and Mara looking pretty nice for today. IMBS for squeeze, guys. IMBS for the squeeze around the 51.29. All the apes who watching, plus the like button and the way in. Don't forget, we always go live each day 30 minutes before the market close to have a huge update for you guys, not just for AMC but everything. So spread the love, share the love, share our live streaming, because sharing is caring. Let's go. We watching IMPS, AMC. Still, guys, we have the 9 as a resistance. We have a kiss of death here over this AMA. If we broke it, we might have a kick for AMC at least around, let me just show you exactly where. We might have a test. It's really difficult here. Let me just check how much we can do if we broke the 9. We can do another 5%. First around the 9. And the second is around, yeah, maybe the 990, or yes, there, around the 1012. Okay, so watch out, guys. We might have a breakout now from the 9 and go toward the 947. This is it. We have a huge test for AMC is about to happen right now. Yeah, big volume. This is the first time that we have AMC testing the 80 million volume. This is the first time, guys. This is the first time. Guys, don't forget, hit the like button. We almost 200 people watching. 200. This is Guinness record for us. Let's see the 400 for the next year. But we're missing 20 people to hit the 100 like, at least 50 of people watching, 50% of people watching who like the video. The other ones are NPCs, non-playable characters. Please don't do that, guys. Don't be that. Don't be this person that never react. Just be on the sideline. Okay, TBSD started to reverse. Yes, sir. We started to reverse. ASTR, SNTI, IMPS is pulling back. Oh, man. I think big seller is still there. Yes, big seller is still there. Around yeah, 49. Let me just take this off. Yeah. 49, we got big seller, guys. Big seller. Still sleeping there. Let me just check how much we can do here and there. Yes, this is a big number. We have the 66 maybe. This is crazy. What's gonna happen after this break, man? 64 maybe. Yeah, this one is preparing for something, guys. IMBS. Still watching this one closely. Updating the level, watching. AMC, guys. Big seller around this AMA. Big seller. We have to break this level to have the $10 or the $9.50 at least. Otherwise, we're gonna go toward the 8. Toward the 8 and the $7. So this is the bottom for today market. If we don't break the 9, we're gonna have the 8 and the 7. So this is a really major test for AMC. Now, I'm not talking about tomorrow. I'm not talking about 1 hour. I'm talking about now, in a few minutes. few minutes from now. For Jan, this one is a really bad girl, guys. This is bad girl. We have a big buyer over this MA, so next time if we broke the 38 is game over, but now it's still holding, so there's a chance for a breakout later on after we kick from the 53. So this one we might have a chance if we broke the 53, not now. The good thing is we're still holding the 38. But again, I don't trust this one. IMBS. AMC. Come on. AMC is about to kick, guys. Sunray, this is the reason that why I say it. I want you to retire early. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm here. To remind everybody to retire early. But why you want to retire, man? This is boring. If you want to retire, what you want to do later? Cisco going up. Okay, I'll check it for you, brother. Let's check this one. Is there? Let me just check a bullet. Yes. Yes, but the volume is really light on this one, man. Really light. Really light. Even though it's light, we might have something for it. Yeah, we have the $1.09 as resistant for this one. However, the support is not really stable. So this one I don't trust, brother, until we break the $1 again, because now is risky a bit. Risky business. Cisco, risky business, even though we have kind of first signal for breakout, like what happened for TBST. So this one started to have a pump from this trend, bearish trend. You see it here clearly. Now we have the breakout, technically breakout. Watch out, this one, maybe we're gonna have action later. TNON. Yeah, we might have a pullback for today for TNON. Pullback maybe here around the 2.78. AMC, yes, breakout. AMC, yo, AMC. We got our breakout for AMC. Watch out, bring all the apes. $9 break. Now it's going toward the $9.47, guys. $9.47 for AMC. Let's see if we're gonna have something for AMC now after this break. Yes, 9.18. We might have the 9.47 now. Look good, look good, looking good. You know what I'm gonna do now? Let me just bring another maybe support. Okay, Virgin Galactic space. Let me just check this one very quick. Yeah. Virgin Galactic, we got something. Thursday. Aha, so this one, Virgin Galactic. Whoa, this one might be good, guys. Yes, Virgin Galactic might be good for a hunt. Really might be good. Not bad, actually. Okay, Virgin Galactic, not bad. I think I'm gonna put it on the pre-market here because we might have a hunt for the next week for this one. Because now it got rejected around the 2, we might have a bit of time consolidating down. For AMC, on the other hand, it looked good for the 947. We got some action. We might have some action. TBST, on the other hand, it's going back toward the breakout zone. As we said, guys, we're gonna have a reversal starting from the $3.60 here. It was a good reversal here. Yeah, not bad reversal. SNTI, not good. IMPS, pullback. Yes, big seller around the 49.80, guys, for IMBS. Big seller. And TBST, big seller around the $4.34. On the other hand, what's going on? AMC, a new high. Are we gonna have a new high for AMC toward the 947? This will be interesting for AMC. Yeah, AMC is preparing for something, guys. AMC after the break from the 9th look good. Okay, so we got support around the 9. Let's do a checkup for the health for AMC chart. We got a nice trend going on for AMC here, trending up slowly from the 19% down, now 8% down. Are we gonna have a green day? We need yes, we need the $10 in order to have a green day. $10 mark. KRRO. Breakout from where, man? There's no breakout here. There's no breakout, man. Guys, make sure if you say something for any stock, make sure to give us some precise action for some stock, because this one we checked, there's no breakout. Whoa, crypto exploding. For link, nope. For sand, yes, it's kind of pumping here for sand. Sol is pumping, ADA is pumping 7%. What's going on, man? What's going on with cryptos? Yo, look at this. Everything's pumping. Bitcoin 37,000. Guys, this is it. I'm telling you, this is it. This is it. Bitcoin Cash is pumping as well. Guys, this is it. I think we're gonna have a huge green market. Cryptos always the same. At the end of each year, November or December, every time we have a volatility for cryptos. It's sleeping all year, and Christmas we have a huge pump for those cryptos. XRP. Yes, this one, it's getting near a breakout zone as well for this one. Yeah, I have to watch crypto, guys, because this is not normal, really. This is not normal. Let me just check Bitcoin weekly. How many weeks we've been pumping? Look at this, guys. Look at this. I'm not making this up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks of pump, and almost 3 months, or since April, 6 months of sleeping. So you see what's going on with cryptos. We have, since this pump until this pump, we have almost 1 year of consolidation, 200 days of consolidation this year from March until October. And the end of October, we started the pump once again. Before, we have the flush in the beginning of this year, and the reversal and the end of last year's December. So you see, always we have volatility at the end of this year or beginning of any year. So we have a pump for this year from the bottom, from the 15,000, and then now 37,000 in 1 year, guys. We did for Bitcoin, let me just show you how much we did. For 1 year, we did 130%. I think Bitcoin was much safer than stocks and much stable, considering what's happening for the stock market lately. So yeah, Bitcoin doing a new high around 37. That's why everything getting crazy. So yeah, we have to update you guys for mini coin, because we have crypto hunt. Last time we did for ADA, it was a great hunt for this breakout, And the other one we did for sand on this breakout around the 34. We warn you guys about this breakout. So yeah, we're gonna do updates after we finish our live streaming for cryptos, because the game is just started, guys. The game's just started for cryptos. AMC is pulling back, AMC is pulling back, AMC is pulling back below the 9. Yes, sir. Not good. Yo, not good. We got rejected just below the $9 there. Broke the trend on the smaller picture. You see, we broke the trend here. So watch out, everybody. Watch out. TBST. Let's check TBST. IMBS. Kenny, Beyond Meat squeeze. Let me just check Beyond Meat. Okay, 40% of float. We have nice interest here for Beyond Meat. Okay, so we have a great question from Kenny, one of our hunter here, ask about Beyond Meat and the chance for a squeeze. So Beyond Meat had earnings last time on Wednesday, 8th of November. It was not good earnings. Price went down, then pumped up. So we got a nice dip for this one around the 630 for this year. I'm talking about this year price action, Kenny. So that's why I have to go on the big picture for this one. And of course we have the early squeeze for this one is around the 750. And of course we got the major squeeze should be around the $10 for this one. So if we have mega squeeze, of course we're gonna have the 990 for this year. Let me just check how much we can do for this one, man. Yeah, 30% at least. 30% if we have the first squeeze. After that we might have the 11. So yeah, this one looking good. We have two pump, guys, before the earnings around this dip in November 2023. Wait a second. What's going on here? November. Yes, this happened just this month. Yeah. So we have this dip, pump, and another dip, and now pump. So Beyond Meat is about to squeeze, guys, right now. Yes, but there is something going on here. There's something. It's not clean breakout here. It's not clean. It's not clean yet. Okay. Let me just adjust one level here around the 8 just in case, because we might get rejected there. So yeah, Kenny, we have the bottom around the 630. The resistance is around the 750. It's been tested right now. And profit is 825, 994, 1174. So if we have a squeeze for this year, we have to hold the 630 and hold over the 750 after we break it. This will be a really interesting play. Yeah, it looked good. Let's see what's going on here. $3.50. Wow. On the market open, we have a huge buyer before the market open, but the seller came in around the 760 here. But now we try to do a new high. We'll see if we hold. Let me just adjust the support. So we got some support here. Let's see if we hold. Whoa, we got big buyer here around the 720. Big buyer. Let's see if we have hold up over the 720 to go toward that 825. Really interesting play, guys, for this one. Beyond Meat. The volume is a bit light now. Let's go back to AMC. AMC is going down. AMC going down. So there's a chance now for having double bottom here around the $8.46 and then go to test the 9. So let me just adjust the level, guys, for you to see here. This is nice if we have a reversal now around this box. So here we should have a reversal. SNTI broke the support, so is not good. We have another support for SNTI around the 53. You see here we have a pump and dump. This is a good example for pump and dump. TPST, nothing much. We didn't break the 4, and this one's still holding. AMC, yes. We'll see if we have a reversal here. For Jan, nothing much. Let me just check very quick, everybody, the volume gainer for today. What's going on with the stocks volume gainer? TBST, of course, and Mara. 15% for Mara, guys, for today, because crypto is pumping. As everybody knows that cryptos or Mara follow the trend of cryptos. If we have a huge pump for cryptos, Mara, Coinbase, and the other stocks pumping as well. So this one pumped and got rejected around the 1045. TPST still holding the first support. We'll see if we're gonna have a breakout from the 434. Tesla, huge selling pressure. Big seller came before the market open. We have a big seller around this AMA and the price went down. So watch out for big seller for AMC, for Tesla. We might have the bottom finally around the $1.90. We didn't even test the this level of resistance, man, for AMC. SoFi is down. Right, of course, is up. Disney 7%, nice, is still pumping. From yesterday, as we said yesterday, we did a great hunt for Disney. We warned our hunter on our elite hunter level. As you can see here, we have 3 levels: disciplined hunter, we got king, and elite. So the elite already sold out, and if you are in the elite hunter, you have access to this channel where we're gonna do almost each day swing trade for you guys for entry. You enter the day before and you take profit for today. That's why we call it 1 day swing trade. And of course you have access to elite requests. You see here many of our hunter ask us about chart analysis update. This is after we finish our live streaming. So if you have any question regarding stock and you want to have update, because sometimes the charts change after we finish our live streaming for a breakout, for a profit taking. So if you are on the elite level, you can ask me any question regarding stock, and I'm gonna do chart analysis update for you for entry and stop loss and whatever. So yeah, Disney, we closed this trade and still looking good for the profit taken. And Disney here on the volume gainer, 15 million. The other one we have AFRM hitting the profit taking 25. I think we did the chart analysis update for this one, I believe. Yeah, we did profit taking there. Yes. So this one looking good, man, looking juicy technically. Interesting, everybody. Oh boy. I think this one I'm gonna put it on the list for a great hunt. Okay, call the boys. Bring you drink. I think we got something here. We might eat together, guys. So we might eat this one together. Raven going down, nothing much. This one, really tricky here, but still looking interesting for a play. So Apple, nothing much. Snap 3%. Whoa, we have a breakout for Snap. Yo guys, why you didn't tell me, guys? Why you didn't warn me? Man, this one had a great breakout for today. Yo, let's check if we have a filling the gap now. We filling the gap for Snap. Oh snap. Oh snap. When I saw the breakout here for Snap, I said, oh snap. This is good. Yes, Snap looking good, guys. Let me just put it on the list. Snap. You know, some people say love from the first sight. For me, the chart, I see it like this. Either I love the chart or I don't love it from the first sight, like this. And now hopefully I will take this to the real life when meeting a person, you know. I think I'm getting the hang of it, you know. When I meet the person, I can see like this if the person is good for me or not. And it's kind of superpower, you know. And this is one of the things you can take from trading, because trading is 100% based on human psychology. So if you be good at trading, you be good with people and spotting the good people and from bad people. So there's a lot, guys. There's a lot you can win from trading. Not just money, but knowing people, because trading stocks is like people. Really interesting, guys. There's a lot of things trading taught me. One of the things trading taught me is to be patient, of course, to never take anything personally, okay, and control my emotion. This is the third. And the fourth is narrow down my list or narrow down my options, because in stock market you have thousands of stocks and you have to choose daily one or two from thousands. So you have to be really picky. And now in our life, we have too many options. My friends go with me in a restaurant and they be baffled by the list of the food they could eat. And I know what I'm the only one who can order food like this in the 5 minutes. I don't think too much. And I told them I don't use this capacity for thinking for choosing food, because this is a waste of time, you know. I use my focus in trading for solving big problem, not choosing food or choosing what I wear. No, I don't care about this, because the return on investment, by that, if you calculate it, there's no return on investment. You know, if you eat, doesn't matter. You just live. You just take the nutrients, and you want to just take the food. You know, whatever. If you eat pizza or burger, if it's healthy food, is okay. So yeah, I don't think too much now. Anyway, so let's check if we got something else. Okay, nothing much. Okay, we got just two. Let me just bring them there on my list. Space. Go back. IMBS is about to break. IMBS, guys, is about to break. Interesting. TBST, nope. AMC pulling back. SNTI the same. So guys, we got IMBS is about to squeeze. Yes, IMBS. IMBS. Let me just check. Where's IMBS? Yes, it's there. Boom, 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 boom. So IMBS, we have kind of breakout now. Not yet. Yes, now breakout. Breakout. IMBS breakout. Breakout for IMBS. Nice, guys. Nice. Let's see if we're gonna have a huge pump again. IMBS is squeezing, guys. 30% now. 55. 55, 56, 57. Nice. 152% now. 152%. 59, going toward the 64. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take profit here. I'm not getting greedy here. Boom, exit. Very quick, exit. Nice hunt, guys, for IMBS. IMBS, patience, guys, patience. We cooked this trade on slow fire. You see what's happened here? We get near this profit taken. We exited right around the 61 before this flush. Yes, guys. So we watching IMPS first from the breakout. I think we had an entry for IMPS since here, guys, around the 43 because we got almost 30% here. Yes, 38%. So we entered around this breakout zone, guys, around the 43. Price didn't break the resistance. We waited for it because we said the 39 is the support. We waited, and boom, price squeeze, and then we took profit there, just below the 64. And big seller came. Look at this, big seller. So that's why we suggest to take profit and exit. So now the 61 is the hidden seller. And of course, we got the support now is around the 48. Let's see if we hold. IMBS is squeezing, guys. Hit the like button. Let's hit the 200 likes for today. We need 200 likes, guys. We need 200. And it's raining outside. It's raining. Crypto squeezing right now. Crypto's squeezing. Linked, nope. Sand, pull back. Yeah, we have a pullback, guys. Pullback. Huge pullback. Ethereum. Whoa, Ethereum is pumping like no tomorrow. Tara, Dodge. Yeah, we have a bit of pullback. Shiba Coin testing a resistance. You know why? Because most of the cryptos testing a major resistance. That's why we have a pullback. Bitcoin Cash. Big pullback. Ethereum really strong. ADA. Solo. Sand. Yeah, Sand or Solo got shorted right around the resistance. Yeah, crypto looking interesting now. AMC is still holding the box. This should be our support for today. Resistance now is around the 938, profit 1012 and 1110. If we broke this, as mean flash down toward the 7. Watch out. AMC still holding. TBST still holding. IMPS, guys. IMPS. The top gainer for today. Hit the like button and the win, everybody. Exactly, look Storm. Ethereum looking good. Ethereum Classic as well. Let's see. Ethereum. I think Ethereum Classic, I took it from the list. Yeah, I took it from the list. Yeah, started to squeeze. Started to squeeze, everybody. Yeah, it's a big game. You know why AMC do the opposite always? Because when you have expectation for something will never happen. AMC always do something when you least expect it. Last time when we have a squeeze after hours, nobody expect AMC will squeeze. There's no news, there's nothing. So once the movement happen, when you take your eyes from the trade. So that's why I learned my lesson and always be on the lookout. So we have always a level that if we broke for AMC, we ignite this squeeze. So we have to be extremely careful because it's not over. We're still holding the support. Screen free life. Okay, brother, go on Google and just type the definition of gambling. Tell me what's the definition of gambling. IMBS toward the $1, yeah, maybe if we broke the 61, but now we have to hold the 48 to have a reversal, because this rocket, if it want to go over to the moon, it need to charge up here. If this rocket doesn't charge up here, is me gonna go back to Earth and break. Hopefully it would be Starlink, in order to use this rocket and never break and never explode on the landing. So it depends. So if this is a Starlink from Elon Musk, it should fuel and go up once again. Not yet. Not yet. We didn't break yet. We have to break the 760. ASTR reversal. Let me just check. Yeah, brother, ASTR, we might have a reversal. Already happened. The $1.07, as we discussed, is our support. Breakout is about to happen. $1.39. $1.39, everybody. If we don't break it, is mean game over. If we break it, we're gonna have the 164. Now is 81% up. We might have another 20%. 40 million. This one is really crazy. Earning after just 4 days from now. Aerospace and defense. Astra Space. Let me just check their website. Are they legit? Let's check their website. Improve life and earth from space. Interesting. Astra improve its customer to improve life and earth from space by providing dedicated small launches and mission critical on orbit mobility to smallest builders and operators around the world. Interesting. So I just this is give me an idea, guys. Lately I was thinking about checking one of the things on my list, and one of them is seeing a rocket live get launched. So this is one of the things. I don't know if one of you saw a live rocket launch in front of you. I don't know if some of you saw that. It's really breathtaking, I think. But I think all the rocket launch will be like in America, I think, because we have an island. I think it's belong in France, French Guiana, I think. It have a space program over there. So European countries have their rocket launch from there, because I think the best spot to launch a rocket is from there. Technically is the best, is in South, between South and North America, is the best place to launch a rocket. That's why many space stations and things like this go from there. So yeah, this is on my list to see a rocket launch. I don't know if anybody have saw that in real life. IMBS is moving as well. IMBS is moving down. Yes, it was wise to take profit and exit around the 6170. TPST not much. AMC nothing much. ASTR we might have a breakout now. Jan 54%. Oh man, this one, my ex name, I don't like it, man. I told you I don't like it. We have kind of a fake out after we have this breakout down on the market open. That's why I don't trust it, even though now it's going higher. We have a major resistance to break to have continuation for this pump for Jan around the 53. Otherwise, we're gonna have a pullback down, and we can call it after that a pull trap. So watch out. Watch out. So yeah, we don't have enough stocks to watch here. I will keep Jan and ASTR here and IMBS there. Okay, so yeah, we don't have that much stocks to watch. Mara and Coin is still looking good, both of them. And Virgin Galactic, we have the two. We have the two, everybody to hold. Let's see. Wow, Coinbase is going toward the 100, guys. 98 is going toward the $100 for Coinbase. Next level. Wow, what a expression you have about the moon going from the hills. What a scary picture you had, man. It's funny because everybody can see things from their point of view, because if I saw the moon go from the hills, I would never see a nuke explosion. But maybe I will see like a volcano eruption or something. Much natural. Coinbase 100 test for Coinbase is about to happen right now because crypto is jumping like crazy. IMPS is testing our bottom support. Watch out. 45 or 48. Yes, 48. We have the resistance 6170. Yeah, Mara is not moving, but Coinbase is moving. We have a reversal now for IMBS, everybody. IMBS is moving like crazy. IMBS is moving 127% and 102% or 102 million worth of volume. Yes, what a crazy pump, volume wise and percentage wise. This is the top gainer for today, and we might give it the badge. Maybe we're gonna give it the unicorn badge for IMPS. We should give it the badge of unicorn. Look, Storm, please don't spam the chat section. Everybody knows. Everybody knows. Everybody saw Ethereum. We're gonna do update, brother, for Ethereum. Thank you for the reminder. We're gonna do update for cryptos, everybody here on our unicorn hunt. So watch out. And we're gonna do update, major update for many stocks. One of them is IMBS, of course, because it's still holding. And AMC, of course, because we might have a test now for this support again over the 8. So see if we have a hold up for this support. Otherwise, we're going to have the 7. So we're going to do a major update after we finish our live streaming here. And we're going to take our party. The party is not over. The party is not over until Jesus says over. So the party will continue here on our Discord and our Patreon and our YouTube membership. Whatever the case will be for you, if you are with us in our 100 channel, you're gonna be updated. Next level. Paris, brother, Paris. What's included in membership on YouTube? So if you join our YouTube membership, you have the star or the star next to your name. So you see here, Lookstorm have a star. We have Mini Hunter here have a star as well. This is make it easier for you or for me to make it easier for me to see who's support our channel, and this is make it easier as well to reply on the question first. And the other thing is you have access to chart analysis update like this one, Of course, after we finish our live streaming, you can have access to this chart analysis update, not Discord, and YouTube membership. Okay, so you can have access to that. And the other thing, you can have access to pre-market update. So pre-market update, watch list, chart analysis update after we finish our live streaming, and of course the star next to your name. This is depends on which level you choose on the membership, because we have 3 levels. Next level. Why you want to buy me a drink, brother? If you want a one-on-one meeting, brother, you can join our Patreon first. So if you want a one-on-one meeting, here, brother, here the link. First, if you want anybody, guys, we have a great question from one of our hunter here, Mirza. Ask about one-on-one meeting. So the only way to have one-on-one meeting is to join this link, which will take you to our Patreon. And once you go here, you choose one of this two, the king or the elite. Let me know if you want the elite. Maybe I will open one level for you for the elite hunter. What's the difference between the king and the elite? For the elite, you have monthly meeting with me. For the king, you have just one meeting. Okay, so if you want the king, or you want one meeting, you choose the king. If you want a follow-up on your trade, each month we go together for your trade and we discuss what's going wrong and what we went right, so we perfect your trading. So the elite hunter will be good for it's like mentorship. It's like seeing your portfolio, helping you to upgrade your trade, and prevents you from losing money, at the same time fixing some trade that you did in the past month. So this is for the elite hunter. You have each month one-on-one meeting, and the other one you have just one for the king level. So you can choose one of them. And of course, after you join our Patreon, you have access automatically to our Discord, where we do chart analysis update, and we do swing trade and many things, and questions here you can ask, and have a chat with our hunters here on our Discord. Next level. Yeah, I have a lot of friends in Nice. I'm considering actually moving, brother. Yes, you're right. And with trading, I'm not fixed to be at any place, I'm not fixed. I can be anywhere. But I agree with you. I prefer south of France way more. Merja, you are welcome. Look, Storm. Oh, brother, will be really bad. Jacob, if this news is right, will be really not good. I think the worst thing is the news of dilution, for AMC. This is the worst thing ever happened for any stock, is dilution. Whoa, IMBS. Yo, guys, IMBS is still pumping. Nice, man. We held over the 48 precisely, and we pumped once again. This is madness. How much we did from this pump? 35%. Yo, IMBS to the moon, guys. This one is crazy stock. But I'm not entering though. The entry was here, guys. The entry was here over this support. Good lesson. Really good lesson for us. Because we already took our profit. We could have actually entered for this bottom, but we didn't. Good lesson. Really good lesson. Mida sweep. Yes. Share dilution. Exactly. That's why the price didn't squeeze, man. You see what's going on. Even the good earnings, this news affect the price. This news affect the price significantly. Imagine, next level, imagine everybody would be trading Jesus. This is the only way if we want to fight the insiders and market maker guys. If I turn every hunter to be a Jesus as well. Imagine the force that we can do together by trading the market and shorting before the short seller come and buying with the market maker. Man, this will be the revolution of trading. We can actually take over the Wall Street. Good point, next level. Really good point. I think this is my objective, to put a program to turn any hunter to Jesus. This is the only way to make the short seller lose money. The word that I really like is why not. When I have a big idea, I say why not. This is kind of transform your way of thinking, but because sometimes you say this is no, this is too big, you know. When you think about something, you say it's too big, it's too hard, and it's impossible. But if you just put a word, why not, it will be good. It will be possible, you know, if you just say why not. Why not? IMBS. I'm telling you guys, this one is the unicorn. This one is the unicorn for today. Hands down, this one is the unicorn. Exactly. Not 85, but 81. Thank you, next level. Thank you, brother. It will be a big objective, big goal, man, to take down the Wall Street. We can actually enter history from the big door, from the front door. 200% for IMPS. 200%. The unicorn for today. Next level, exactly, brother. It's really dangerous, I know. Really dangerous. Oh man, yes man. The apes need a good leader, man. The apes need a good leader to show them the way. Is that it, man? I don't. This one. Yes, I think this one. Yeah, PA. Nothing much, man. This is Belgium futures. Nothing much, man. Nothing much. This one is still pumping, man. Oscar 13. You know why, man? You know why I don't have 1 million apes here? Because I say the truth. And apes don't like the truth, you know? They like the imaginary number. They want someone tell them like AMC going toward the 100,000 and tell them like nonsense information that already hit the market. If you tell them something truth or something gonna happen and they don't like it, they don't watch the video. Plus, the other thing that I don't have 1 million apes because I don't care about the thumbnail. I don't put my time to adjust what is called. There's a name for it, to adjust the algorithm YouTube, because the other YouTubers, they're not traders, you know. They just put a lot of time for putting a lot of videos, searching for news and things like this. For me, I don't have this time because I trade fully, and at the same time I have more time to put on Patreon and Discord, because our hunter over there asks us question. We do chart analysis update for cryptos and mini stocks, so we're not fully focused on AMC. So there's many reasons. That's why I know the reason actually. Thank you, brother. Really appreciate it. Dr. Aaron, yes, man. I will never change my way of thinking or a way of doing things, you know. Because if you try to fake things or try to attract the wrong people in order to get like bigger following, will never get you far enough, because you're not yourself. You're faking it. You're try to please people. For me, I don't like to please people. I just like to say the truth. If people don't like it, if the people don't watch my live streaming or my video, I don't care. You know, it means they're not right for me. So I'm trying to spread the word from my point of view. If they don't like it, it means okay, don't watch my videos. Wow, man, this one's going 81, guys. IMBS going toward the 81 before we finish our live streaming. This one is the unicorn for today. TBST, we might have a hunt after we finish our live streaming. Astra is about to break. AMC, news about dilution. That's the main reason I think we went down after the earnings. So yeah, we watch AMC for this support and this resistance. So stay tuned for a big update after we finish our live streaming, guys, because this is not over. Exactly, Dr. Alan. You perfectly put it. Perfect analogy, man. When you tell people like the right thing to do by eating healthy, by exercising, this is take a lot of time and is take a lot of discipline. People don't like it. They like the magical pill that fix everything. If you tell them the truth, they will say you are a bad doctor, you know. So you're right, man. You're right, completely right. Next level. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Really appreciate it. You know, when I hear this kind of comment, guys, from you, this is kind of keep me do the live streaming each day for you guys. And one of the good things that I can hear, this is kind of give me the push and give me the fire to do whatever I do right now each day. So thank you for the support. Thank you even for the support from the good word, you know, even good word. Even if you're not one of our Hunter and Patreon or Discord, because some of you don't have the time or don't have even the money for it. I completely understand. Even the good words is really enough for me to keep doing what I do and help as much as possible for mini trader. And yes, building this community, guys, and being being as a teacher or being as a guide is actually make me feel grateful to have this community. Really grateful to have this community and join trading each day with you guys is kind of all I need, because if you trade by yourself it's kind of not interesting, it's not fun, you know. At the same time, we don't have for me, I don't have this kind of connected the connection, you know. Because if you trade by yourself, yes, it's fun, but if you trade with community, it's more interesting. And we learn from each other. At the same time, we might get a good hunt from you guys. So it's like sharing. And of course, having a community to share this knowledge together is perfect. He said, I'm just trying to learn. This is the best thing to say, you know. Everybody want to learn something. And never stop learning. Just put this in your mind, is that each day I'm learning something. Each day. Because if I'm telling you that I'm good at trading, I'm stop learning, I will get bored, brother. I'm gonna get bored. Because for me, I get bored easily. I try everything. I try many jobs. I get bored after 1 month. I just quit. I don't like it because there's no competition. There is no excitement. There is no thinking outside the box. It's kind of boring for me. So trading is perfect because every day you have to learn. Every day you have to adjust and think outside the box, improvise. So this is why I like trading, because it's not boring. Okay, so AMC held our support once again for a charge up. This rocket is charging, and now we might have another test now toward the $9.30. But before that, we have to break this little AMA here. We'll see if we break it. Jan went toward 63, got rejected there. ASTR is about to break. TPST, IMPS. Yes, IMPS, man, this one, 200%. Guys, we're gonna do update later on as we discuss here on Unicorn and our Discord and Patreon and our YouTube membership after we finish our live streaming. In the time being, stay safe, let the price come to you and never run after the price. Live streaming as usual tomorrow around 3 p.m. CET. If you have any question, please drop it down below. I will try to cover your question later. And of course, we're gonna do update later on, so stay tuned for that. Thank you everybody for watching, and see you in the next update. See you in the next update, of course, tomorrow for our Friday hunt. And tomorrow, if you are on Patreon Discord, we're gonna do a power hour before the market close by 1 hour for our hunters to discuss your questions and discuss crypto hunt. Luke Storm, watch out for this huge pump or huge hunt for cryptos before the market close on Friday, exclusively on Patreon Discord. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next update.